Hello everyone, this video is on area, and as you can see I've taken the precaution of drawing some shapes in preparation so that I don't waste too much time. So you'll see the quality of the drawing will gradually go down throughout the video. I apologise for that. Okay, so the area of a shape is the amount of space it takes up. So why would we need to know about area? Well, one reason could be if you want to lay a carpet on a floor, you might need to know the area of the floor. Might be quite a good idea. You also might need to know, if you're going to paint a wall, you might need to know the area of that wall, or the surface area of that wall. Okay, so what is area? Well, area, as I said, is the amount of space it takes up. So how do we calculate it? Well, let's say this shape was 2 centimetres long. It's a square by 2 centimetres. That means you could divide it up into squares. Each square is 1 centimetre times 1 centimetre. So that means the area, there's 4 squares, so the area is 4 centimetres squared. Alternatively, that's obviously my bell to say that it's nearly time to stop. So I've got to say this one is 4 centimetres by 4 centimetres. So 4 centimetres long, so that means there's 4 columns, and then 4 centimetres high, which means there's 4 rows. So it's 4 rows of 4, or 4 times 4, which is 16 centimetres squared. So there's 16 squares, so 16 centimetres squared. On this one, it's not going to be perfect squares, but it's not too bad. We have 3 centimetres long by 2 centimetres wide, so it's 3 columns of 2, or 2 rows of 3. So 2 times 3 is 6 centimetres squared. Doesn't matter which way around you do it. You normally think of it as length times width, so 3 times 2 still gives you the same answer. So that's the area of, so that's basically looking at how we work out area. We divide our shapes, or we imagine our shapes being divided into small squares, and each square is in this case 1 centimetre squared. You can't do that if you've got really big shapes or really long shapes. It'll take you all day. So what we do, this is where the freehand drawing is going to come in now, is we already know that area, what a rectangle that is length times width. So the length is 10 centimetres, the width is 4 centimetres, so the area is going to be area equals 40 centimetres squared. It's squared because we've multiplied centimetres by centimetres. The units are very important. Teachers get very annoyed if you leave them out. Okay, so if we had a square which was 5 centimetres by 5 centimetres, the area would be length, which is 5, times width, which is 5, equals 25, and don't forget the unit, centimetres squared. Could be in metres, obviously not to scale, so 7 metres by 3 metres. The area would be length times width. You can write L for length, W for width, which equals 7 times 3, which is 21 metres squared. Right, so in summary, we're only looking today at areas of rectangles and squares, so it's always going to be length times width. That's how we calculate area. And obviously a square, the length and width are the same thing. So we've done a little summary, a little brief introduction to area. Now I hope you've got your pens and paper ready for the quiz. So first of all, we've got a square, 6 centimetres by 6 centimetres, and we need to know the area of that square. So start working that out while I do the next 2 questions. This time our square, again beautifully drawn, is 8 centimetres by 8 centimetres. So we need to work out the area of that square. Going to draw some lovely right angles. They won't be right angles. They're supposed to be, as they're rectangles. So 9, we're going to do, say it's meters this time, not to scale obviously. 9 meters times 3 meters, so that area of that one. Right, our last rectangle, we're going to say that's 13 meters long by 4 meters wide. Area of that equals. So I'll just give you a few seconds to work it out. If you need more time, stop the video and then I'll go through. Okay, so remember area is length times width. So the answer to the first question, 6 times 6, which is 36, and the units are centimetres, so it'd be centimetres squared. Second one, another square, 8 centimetres by 8 centimetres. 8 times 8 is 64, and again it's going to be centimetres squared. Third one is a rectangle, 9 metres by 3 metres. So all we do is do 9 times 3, which as you're also good at tables, you know is 27. Units are metres, so it's metres squared. And the last area is 13 metres long by 4 metres wide. So all we do is 4 times 13, which is 52. And it's metres squared because our units were metres. So, thank you for watching. That's area. Thank you for watching that video. And if you enjoyed that, please check out our website for more great online resources. So the address is www.routes2success11plus.uk, or find us on Twitter @routes2success. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos. Thank you.